Hello students, good afternoon. Do you know what is today? Today is Reading Inspiration Day, which we say in Marathi, Vachan Prerna Din. So, whose birthday we celebrate as Reading Inspiration Day? So, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday, which we celebrate as Reading Inspiration Day. So today I am not going to teach you anything, but today I am going to give little bit information about the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and why do we celebrate this Reading Inspiration Day? From when, how, where it has started, and why should we read it? So let's see. See, this is one of the logo, Reading Inspiration Day. The logo has shown on that logo Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's pic is there, as well as it is written that Vachan Prerna Din. So Vachan Prerna Din, Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Jayanti. It is written here. Can you see? Yes. Now, the next thing is that see, Maharashtra to celebrate APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary as Reading Inspiration Day every year. Former President APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary will be observed as Vachan Prerna Din. In English it is said Reading Inspiration Day in Maharashtra every year. See now here. What is the full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? Dr. Aul Pakir Jainullah Din. APJ Abdul Kalam, India's 11th president, was not just another president, but the people's president, a man who was named Missile Man for his contribution in every developing ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology, also become an inspiration for everyone, especially the youth, for his ideas and vision on education and dreams. Unfortunately, this year we lost him after collapsed to death on July 27 this year while addressing students, something he loved the most, in Shillong. But on the brighter side, Dr. Kalam, whose 84th birth anniversary is on October 15th, will be celebrated around India, paying tribute to him for his contribution. Here's how India and world has stepped out to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. See, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan would be utilized for conducting these activities, the minister said. Taude also said that the government would also set up more libraries to encourage the habit of reading. The government is also planning to launch mobile libraries in cities like Mumbai and Pune. Maharashtra celebrated No School Bag Day for all the students of class 3rd to 8th. The students were also motivated to read non-academic books, including novels and poetry, as a tribute to Abdul Kalam, who was an avid reader himself. Abdul Kalam, the 11th President of India, was born in Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu on October 15, 1931 and passed away on July 28 this year. Maharashtra government, what Maharashtra government had decided on his birth anniversary? Maharashtra government has announced Dr. Kalam's birth anniversary as Vachan Din or Reading Day. In all the schools, this will also be No School Bag Day for all the students from class 3rd to 8th, which means students don't need to carry school bags on this day. The students will be motivated to read non-academic books, including novels and poetry and all. So see, on this day, we are also going to celebrate this Vachan Prerna Din by online. So today I am going to tell you that today you have to read any school books, otherwise any non-academic books on the behalf of Vachan Prerna Din. I hope so. You understand the importance of in Vachan Prerna Din or Reading Inspiration Day, and hope so you will read the book today. Now I'm going to give you the assignments on the occasion of Vachan Prerna Din, Vachan Prerna Divas. Hope so you all will do it well as you have to do the assignments which I will be given, as well as the drawings, as well as the logo of Reading Inspiration Day. Thank you.